living in the areas surrounding Simlipal. What's more worrying is the fire has been spreading from
chosen by the Chief Minister of Odisha to be his potential successor, VK Pandian. Welcome to Jab We Met.
Thanks, Rahul. Welcome to Bhubaneswar.
I've been wanting to get to the first election as Neta Pandian.
I don't know whether I have become Neta or not. I'm just helping the Chief Minister.
You helped in past elections, but that was in your capacity as a bureaucrat. How is it different to now try and actually be a politician versus trying to steer the state administratively?
Understanding what are the nuances of politics. But thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister, he guides us what to do and what not to do. So it goes on.
So is this something you've been thinking about for a long time? Because you've been powerful in this state for a very long while. Were you thinking about a political plunge for a very long time?
I won't agree the powerful word also. It's little loaded. I have been with the CM and helping him in developing schemes, implementing them, properly implementing them. And being part of the Chief Minister office, you have that access to get work done. It's an accident only. It's not by design or plan, because I wanted to be in the IAS and I was happy doing what I was doing.
You know, the biggest question politics outside Odisha when it comes to this lovely state is what makes Pandian tick? You know, you're a Tamil Nadu cadre IAS officer of the 2000 batch. You're a blue-eyed boy of the Chief Minister, potentially his political successor. What's the secret of your success?
People see me as maybe Naveen Babu's work horse or something. Naveen Babu is known for his work. They see little bit of reflection of his work in me. No succession, no other plans. People see me that this guy is working for Naveen Babu and he's doing sincere work.
So I hear you're a 4 a.m. man. You start really early, and it's still it's time for me still to be sleeping, and that's how early it is in the morning.
Sorry for disturbing
you.
No,
I'm very happy to wake up. No problem. In the election season, everyone's fully gung-ho and going. So you've got some meetings lined up early in the morning before you head off to the campaign trail?
We have the video conference with the Barampur Parliamentary Constituency.
Mr. Pandian, it was fascinating to observe you in action in that video conference. But the sense that I pick up is that this is more the style of a chief executive of a big corporation, right? This doesn't feel like a neta at work. This looks like a bureaucrat or a CEO at work.
I think even our Honorable Chief Minister works this way only.
Structure 7:45 will do this, 8:10 will do this, 8:25 will do this, 9 o'clock. It's like plan.
सर पांडे सर कुआड़े जाऊँ एते बिजी लोक को डाकिले हम से पूरा बिजी फुल बिजी लोक देखुना से जाऊँ जंगल निआ लिभेवाई बारिपदार जो निआ लगी से निआ बोधे लिभेवाई जाऊँ सार पचार तो कौपटे कौ निआ लिभेवाई जाऊँ सार कुआड़े जाऊँ कि
Kalahandi Parliamentary Constituency. So we'll touch Nuapada district and Kalahandi district.
So these were or are Naxal impacted areas?
Yes, these are all bordering Chhattisgarh.
सेपा जाऊँगी कलाहांडी नुआपड़ा निआ लिभेवाई कहीं सेपटे से धर्मेंद्र प्रधान बाबू पेट्रोल ढाली देते महानदी उपर आउ गोटे माचिसटा मारी जली जाऊँ से निआटा काले एपटे नुआपड़ा ये आमर कलाहांडी जंगलटा जलीज से लिभेवाई जाऊँ आउ जो गंधमार्दन पर्वतटा जलुची से किए लिभे छाड़ देखो केमती लिभौं देख देखिए निआ लिभा जंत्र धरिकी केमती लिभौं देखुं लिभौं ना सेल्फी नौ कौन बुझुन अरे सेल्फी नौ ना से जो पछपट जो मैंने अच्छा से हाउ हाउ हो जलुच अरे सेल्फी नौ सेल्फी से सेल्फीटा पुणी देखेबे ना केमती निआ लिभेले बोली नवीन बाबू को देखेबे नवीन बाबू देखी कौन अरे ओडिशा लोक देख ଆରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଲୋକ ବି କ'ଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଗାଁକୁ ପଠେଇବେ ନା ତାମିଲନାଡ଼ୁକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ କହିବେ ଦେଖ ମୋତେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଲୋକ କେତେ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି ବୋଲି। ଆଉ ପୁଣି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫ୍ୟୁଚରରେ ଫିଲ୍ମ ତିଆରି ହେବ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ପାଣ୍ଡିଆନ ବାବୁ ବୋଲି ସେ ସମୟରେ କାମଟା ଆସିବ ନା ସେ କ୍ଲିପ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କେମିତି ମୋତେ ଲୋକ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ ବୋଲି। ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେଲ୍ଫି ନେବେ, ନହେଲେ ଏତେ ସେଲ୍ଫି ନେବା ଦରକାର ସାରେ। ସେ ସେଲ୍ଫି ନେଲେ କ'ଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ିଯିବ? ନିଆଲି ଭାଇ
Pandian, you see.
ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଭୋକ ଲାଗିଲାଣି କିଛି ଖାଇଦେବା। ନା ବା ଆମର ନିଜ ଖାଦ୍ୟଟା ଅଛି ପଖାଳ, ଟିକେ ପଖାଳ ଟିକେ ବାଡ଼େଇଦେବା ଆଉ। ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ଏ ରାହୁଲ ଭାଇ ବି ଆସିଲେ ଆଉ। ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଟଙ୍କା ପଇସାକୁ କେମିତି ସୁବିନିଯୋଗ କରାଯାଏ ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। କେମିତି ପଇସାକୁ ଉଡ଼େଇ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି ଚାର୍ଟର୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲାଇଟ୍। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍, ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେବ? ଏଇଠି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇବାରେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କେତେ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକ ଆଜିକାଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା କଂସା ବାସନରେ ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି। ଏଇ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏ ବାସନ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ କଂସା ବାସନ ଗୁଡ଼ା। ଆପଣ ଦେଖିକି ଜାଣିପାରୁଥିବେ ଖାଲି ଏ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଇଛି। ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଚାର୍ଟର୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲାଇଟ୍ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବ, ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକ ଟଙ୍କା ଗଦି ଉପରେ ଶୋଉଥିବ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନିଦ ଆସିବ କି ଆଜ୍ଞା?